Artificial intelligence. Two words that sound complex, but the idea is simple. It's about teaching machines how to think, learn, and make decisions, almost like humans do. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, ask your voice assistant a question, or get a movie recommendation, you're using AI. It's not magic. It's math, data, and algorithms, working quietly in the background. AI learns from information, millions of images, words, and examples. Just like you learned what a cat looks like as a child, AI learns by seeing thousands of pictures until it recognizes one on its own. It helps doctors find diseases early. It helps cars drive themselves. It helps businesses understand people better. AI is not just in computers. It's in everything we touch. So, how does artificial intelligence actually work? At its core, AI learns from data. The more information it receives, the better it gets at making decisions. It doesn't just follow instructions, it finds patterns. For example, if you show an AI thousands of photos of animals, it will start to notice the differences between a cat and a dog. Later, when it sees a new photo, it can guess which animal it is, even if it's never seen it before. That's how AI gets smarter, not by magic, but by learning from experience. This learning process is called machine learning. It means we don't program every rule into the computer. Instead, we give it data and let it learn patterns by itself. There are three main types of machine learning. First, supervised learning. Here, the AI learns from examples that already have answers, like teaching a student with flashcards labeled cat or dog. Second, unsupervised learning. This time, there are no labels. The AI tries to find patterns on its own, like grouping similar images or customers together. And finally, reinforcement learning. This one works through rewards and penalties. Just like a child learning not to touch something hot, the AI learns from its mistakes and gets better over time. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning that uses something called neural networks, systems inspired by how the human brain works. It can handle very complex data, like images, voices, or text. That's what allows AI to recognize faces, drive cars, and even chat with you. Each neuron in this network processes a tiny piece of information. Together, millions of these neurons help the AI understand the world around it, just like our brains do. So, artificial intelligence is the big idea. Machine learning is how it learns, and deep learning is what makes it truly powerful. This is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into how artificial intelligence really works, from machine learning to deep learning and beyond. So if you want to understand the future before it happens, make sure to subscribe to NEXUS, where minds and machines connect.